Yo, Wagwan man, you tuned into Click React, and today we got a video from Thoughts and Prayers, and it's titled The Button's Cringiest Moments. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically a speed dating show where you tap the button to next the person, and it's from the original channel is The Cut, but it's pretty funny. Sometimes I just imagine like being in that situation. It could be so embarrassing, you know what I'm saying? But we're just gonna be looking at that today, guys. If you're new to the channel, man, hit that sub button, drop a like, and tell me which one of these moments was the funniest one to you. We're just gonna get right into it. As I said, I'll see you guys later.
Never lined up with the right person.
Oh shit. Yo, why you slap the button that hard?
No.
Can you give her 3 compliments?
3 compliments. No.
Thanks.
We were young festival.
Sorry, Alex.
That's okay, but I'm like geeking that you just said my name. It's like very exciting.
Do you have a crush on me?
A little tea. Nice to meet you. I'm Alex.
Wait, what the fuck is this guy wearing?
So what do you do?
Well, I'm a personal trainer. I like to work out.
That's a shocker, man. It's shocking that you like to work out. You work out so much that your shoulders are in front of your fucking chest. Like, I'm guessing he doesn't like chest day.
What do you do?
I work in board game development.
Like, what the fuck?
Sorry.
That's okay.
Wow, why did you press?
Because, do you work out? How many times a week? What's your favorite exercise in the gym? Do you incline treadmill? I
No.
think you don't work out enough. Just not my type, I'm sorry.
No problem.
Okay, I have a joke.
Wants some
How
on
much
the
does the roof
juice.
cost?
How much does it cost?
Nothing. It's on the house.
I think that's kind of clever.
Yeah.
I get.
You could have
Okay, I'll
like,
think of something.
bro. You could have like pretend to smirk. Like, I don't get the point of going on this shit if you guys are just gonna sit there and not press the button if somebody's gonna press the button on you.
Interesting to say. I guess you could say. Okay.
He just seems a little nervous.
So
How's
what?
it going?
It's going good. I'm Paige.
I'm Trey. Nice to meet you. I have a hand. I don't know where your hand's at.
Hi.
Okay, nice to meet you.
In a relationship, do you tend to be more naughty or nice?
I tend to be very, very naughty.
Paige has
Nice.
rejected you.
Hello.
That's
I'm
crazy.
Travis.
I'm Paige.
Yo, I'm
Wearing
dead.
blindfolds. Give each other a little sniff.
Ew.
So how old are you?
I am 24.
Oh, okay.
Do you like younger women?
10 to? Yeah,
Do you two want to see each other?
I do. Hi.
Hi.
I like the haircut. Do you like to keep it short?
Yeah, I did this myself.
Oh, really? You cut
Yeah,
your own
when
hair?
the pandemic started.
Well, undo it yourself is what he's trying to say.
Start cutting my own hair. I went on one date with like a different teacher.
I'm so sorry. Longer hair is kind of what I'm into right now.
Like I said right now, like, bro, just say you like longer hair. Shut up.
I like the haircut. Longer hair is kind of what I'm into right now. I like the haircut, but you're super great.
That looks a little embarrassing when they, rewind it like that.
It will grow back, Travis.
I.
Oh, what's your name?
Vanessa and you?
Vanessa, I'm Aaron.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Wow.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm
She
sorry.
was
I'm
just testing to see where it was. She wasn't really trying to next you, but
not red right
Button
now.
wasn't red.
that is so funny.
Why'd you reject me?
I don't like your voice.
Oh,
Sorry, I'm a really big voice person, so actually I'm not sorry.
Hey. How are you?
Good. And you?
I'm doing pretty good. What's your name?
Sorry. That's
Oh.
not the question that you ask.
Yeah. So it's like a way.
I can't ask you what your name is? What?
Very go person.
Artists, we're all kind of that way.
Yes.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah, I remember this. She saw him and she knew he was ugly as fuck.
Watering. Oh my god.
And now they're hurting. Oh. Yo, this thing is... Nah, bro. I would just get up. If a girl is pressing the button that hard in front of me, I'm just gonna leave, bro, because obviously she don't want to.
Alex?
Alex, my name's Megan.
Would you say you're naughty?
Honestly, I thought this black guy was fake. Like, I thought he put on, like, a fat suit, because he almost looks like, Professor Clump, if you guys know who that is.
Or nice?
I would say I'm nice.
Okay. Nice guys finished last today. Okay.
I think your voice is pretty sexy.
Oh, thank you.
I dare you to kiss each other.
Hell fucking no.
Okay, sure.
Man's resting his hand on her chest.
I think so.
I think
I think so.
Can you take your blindfolds off?
most nerve-wracking part.
Oh my god, you're gorgeous.
Is this the type of person you normally would date?
Honestly, no.
Why?
I don't know.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Pleasure.
How much money do you make? Say it on the count of 3.
Wait, hold. Oh wait.
I'm broke.
At least he's honest, man.
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
What makes you horny?
Oh
What makes you
shit!
horny?
He was about to touch the
What
button.
makes you horny?
I don't know. This is weird. I'm an ass man. Is that weird to say?
Oh.
Sorry.
No, I'm a little nervous. There's this little thing that I've learned that a friend taught me that if you do get nervous, do a couple push-ups and like get your mind.
Are you gonna do some?
Can I?
Yes, do some push-ups. Let's
Alright,
go.
She about to press the button while this man
Yes.
working out.
Wow. Amazing. Do you feel less nervous?
I do actually.
That's so embarrassing.
that's great though.
You're looking at that. You're waiting for that red light.
That's correct. Yeah. It's kind of like it's never lined up
Please.
with the right person.
Fuck, bro. Beat her.
Careful, don't touch me.
I sing, but I also love to dance.
Oh, can you sing for
Oh,
me?
jack of all trades.
Morning I get up, I die little. Can barely stand on my feet.
Oh, he meant he was a comedian.
The mirror and crying.
You know what's crazy? Because I low-key feel like they're trying to help his voice, and it's just not working out for him.
Somebody.
Like the song.
That shit was crazy.